This is
Tender
episode
because like-
7.
Oh,
6,
yan ang
7.
parang-
This is episode 7.
Yan,
So
right meat
tender.
yan.
Kuyoy. Yan o, kuyoy.
Yan na, mag-circle na siya dyan. Yan na.
Ginailipin na natin sa ilalim.
Okay. Let's leave him alone.
Leave him to
Leave
cook.
him alone.
Let's leave him cook to them. Cook him.
Lagay niya sa ilalim. Ba't hindi mabilis kumalat yung ako?
Hindi ko alam. Backflip.
Ang talong. Aray,
Uy, tumunog. Narinig nyo?
yes. Sona. Wala na siyang apo.
Hindi na kasi nakaangat to eh.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh my god, that's so... Oh, ow, ow, ow.
Ano, ganyan lang yan. Baka kinabukasan sila.
The last video. This is the last video of the episode 7. In the last video ever. Kuya, say hello to the episode 7. Hi. Bro! And him. Give the flashlight.
Ah, may butas to eh.
Wait, tingnan. That's for plant.
Aray mo, pansikan, kwek-kwek.
Ano ito? Prutas? Oy, may nanap ako dito, prutas. Wala yun.
Ilawan nyo.
Ay,
Ayan. Oh, ilawan mo doon sa may gripo. Ayun o, boys.
ow! Kita yung daga.
Ayan ang daga. Naluto.
Ayan so. Ayan. 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 Episode 7. Ay,
Isang timba lang sa promise.
episode 7. Balik na tayo. Episode 7 na ito. Put it out.
Ano ka na eh?
Kakainin ng aso yan.
Yeah.
Oo.
Rat boil.
Parang yan.
Dagang boiled.
There's the
Rat
rat.
boiled.
There's the rats.
Mas masarap pa yan sa onion boil.
That's the leg, the head. Where's the tail?
Bye, bye, bye.
Wait, do kita ko yung skin niya.